Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, another super hot one out there today. 95, the official high in Lafayette. That makes 5 days in a row of 95-degree heat or better. Heat indices pushing 110. But the good news is dew points coming down a little bit and temperatures coming down just a little bit as our winds gradually turn southeasterly in the days ahead. And those dew points down, that means the heat index not so bad. So a heat advisory has expired and we don't have one for tomorrow. So let's take a look at the picture here across Louisiana. Not a whole lot going on. Active storms across Mississippi this afternoon over towards southeast Louisiana. And this little active area, a little bit of a weakness in the atmosphere associated with an upper level trough will drift westward after tomorrow. So that's when we do think we're going to see a better chance of an afternoon shower or storm. That's going to come Thursday. Rain chance tomorrow staying at 20%. Not a whole lot going on with a diminishing shower over by Lake Pontchartrain. Now, it's been a little dusty and hazy across the area, but the thickest dust has been off to the south and west of us. Notice another batch of African dust coming off the Sahara, heading for South Texas and Texas toward the end of the week. But notice Louisiana, we start to clear out going into Friday and Saturday evenings, and that's going to be good for us if you want to see the dust of a comet. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. Elsewhere across the Atlantic basin, you can see not much dust across the Caribbean, but more coming off the African coast. But with time, this gets more and more fractured, so tropical waves down the road in a couple of weeks should get more active. Now, as we take a look at the big picture and we go look at comet dust, this is Comet Neowise, which was just discovered in March and has shown a nice tail during the pre-dawn hours, especially at northern latitudes. And basically, this is just a big rock with ice mixed in. And as it gets closer to the sun evaporates some of that or sublimates some of that moisture off of the rock. And that's how you get the comet tail. Now, it's going to be visible starting in the evening hours for us down the line. And the question is whether we can see it here because of our thick haze in our atmosphere. But these are the times, and I posted this on my social media pages and also KATC.com. I have a full story there. But tonight, too hard to see, too low on the horizon. But as we get toward Friday and Saturday, it's going to be high enough above the horizon. And this is exaggerated. Just to give you an idea, 5 degrees, if you put your fist out and have it right even with the horizon and look straight ahead, that's about 5 degrees off the horizon. So you got to get away from city lights, look to the north and west, grab binoculars, and don't forget the mosquito spray. I'm going to try to check this out Friday evening and or Saturday evening. Hopefully we get to see it. Now, weather-wise, it's going to be quiet tonight, and you got to worry about weather in the night sky, the evening sky. But the bottom line, tomorrow should be relatively hot and dry, slight rain chances, but we get into Thursday, we're going to see a better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours. And then Friday, we're going to resume a pattern where we'll see heat and humidity, but not as much, and still the risk of a shower or thunder shower during the afternoon. So another typical mid-July evening. By the way, Jupiter, Saturn in the southeastern sky. Jupiter is the brightest planet. Saturn just to the left of it, not quite as bright. 78 the low. Then tomorrow, 93 the high. Another hot one, but that heat index not as high as it has been, 102 to 107. As we go down the road, there's that better rain chance come Thursday going into the weekend. Rain chances back down and temperatures up a little bit, but temperatures a little bit closer to what we would expect in July. Overnight lows stay steamy, though, in the mid to upper 70s. That's it for weather for now. We'll be right back right after this.